guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for this video because like the quality is gonna suck butt, but it's gonna suck butt, but that's because I'm filming on my phone because my SD card for my camera is in North Carolina. So that's fun. Today we're gonna be filming a clothing haul. Yay! So I've been at camp for about approximately 77 days and I just got back. I leave for college in approximately a couple days, like 1 or 2. But I realized like when I got home, like I didn't realize how much stuff I ordered online until I got home and saw all of my dining room table, and I was like, oof, like that was a lot of money. But it's okay, cause like I need it, kind of. I bought it for college, so that counts, right? Like that's an excuse. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a clothing haul, and I'm just gonna show you all the cool clothes I got. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. So this first shirt I got is so cute. It's actually a medium and I need a small, but it's fine. I'm just gonna wash it and dry it a lot so it shrinks. It says bad seed on it. I just thought it's an easy tank to like throw on. It's cute. It's got a really meaningful meaning on it that really sits close to my heart. So that's fun. The next shirt I got is like probably one of my favorites. It's super funky. It's a men's shirt. It was like really expensive, but it was worth it because it's like so ugly and I love it so much. So how I wear it is I tie it up in a knot, and it just looks so cute. Like it looks so retro and like cool, and I just love it. Like it's just great. The next shirt I got is this lavender cinched shirt. It's so comfy. It makes my boobs look good. Am I allowed to say that on camera? I don't know, I just think it's the way it's like fitted. I don't know, it's really comfortable though. Like I love this shirt. I could sleep in it. It's a stylish accent to my closet. The next shirt I got most of this stuff I bought on sale because I'm not about Urban Outfitters like full prices, but some of the stuff is full price. This is like a little sweater shirt thing, and I got it because I don't have anything in this color, and I was like, purple. Interesting, so I bought it, and it's cute. I really like my like favorite shirts are the ones that have this like neckline and these buttons. I don't know why, they just look so good on me. So there's that. Oh, and by the way, most of the clothes I order are smalls, except for that one shirt. That was a medium on accident, but this one came separately. And I'm really excited about this because I tried on a cream one in store and it was so cute. This is this little lavender. I realized I got a lot of purple stuff actually. This is this little lavender sweatshirt type thing, and it just has like ruffles at the bottom, and it's so cute and comfy, and like I'm so excited to wear this. Like, oh my gosh. By the way, I'm not gonna try on bras because like nobody needs to see that. But I did get 2 from Urban. They were $5. I was like, why not? I got this one. It's really, I don't know if you can see it up against my obnoxiously pink shirt. Actually, I really want to change this shirt because I like don't want to wear this on camera. Anyway, I'll do that in just a second. So this is, it's really cute. It's like really cute on. I could have gone for a medium, but you know, I didn't, and it'll be fine. We'll just work with it. Okay, I changed my shirt because that one was really obnoxious. I also got the same bra in like a mint green because I don't have any like colorful ones, and I just wanted to like spice it up. I don't know, but it was $5. I was like, so it's really cute. It's the same thing. I don't know. They're just like comfy, cute. I don't know if I'll ever wear them, but like $5, you know. This shirt is interesting, and I'm not really sure I'm gonna wear this because it's so like low cut, so I'll probably wear like a tank top underneath it or maybe like a little tube top. But it's this large sweater thing. It's green too. I don't own anything this color, but like it was on sale, so you know. Sometimes I literally go on Urban Outfitters every single day and just buy stuff. Like, it's really bad, and I just shouldn't do it. I just waste a lot of my money, but I'll wear this. It's soft, and it's warm, and I am living in Colorado, so I'm gonna need warm clothes. The next thing, I also don't know why I bought it. I really love this color. Like, this is gonna be like the main color in my dorm, but I just saw it. It would look so cute tucked into mom jeans with like a belt. Also, I need to buy a new belt. But yeah, it's like mustard orange. It's a sweater. And yeah, so that's that. And that's that. And the last thing I got at Urban was this shirt. Also on sale, so why not? I got so many purple things, and I was like, I don't own anything purple. And then I bought like 4, so that's fun. But it's really soft. It'll be just something easy to throw on with sweatpants and go to class when I'm not feeling it. So next, I'm gonna move on to stuff I got from Brandy Melville. Not sure if everything's gonna fit. Something weird happened with my order where it didn't go through and it said returned, so I thought like they just weren't gonna charge me and it wasn't gonna come to my house, but then it came to my house and then there was like $200 taken off my credit card, and I was like, eesh, I have negative $3 in my account. Like, I didn't mean for that to happen. That was an accident, Mom. Please give me money because I can't eat food. It was a struggle, I'm gonna be honest with you. So I got 4 items from them. The first one is this cute shirt. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I was gonna return this stuff, but I'm not returning this. This is really cute. It says Daytona, and then on the back it says Live to Ride, and it's checkered and red and cars, which is all on trend right now. If you don't know that, that's the trend, so hop on it. I know I am. Then I got these sweatpants. I'm not sure if they're black or navy or black. They're probably navy, because like everything in Brandy is navy. But they're cute. Online, they said they were $70, but when I put them in my cart, they were $35. So I'm not complaining, but I'm confused. These will be fun to throw on and wear with some shoes. I don't know, some type of shoe. And go to class in, because sweatpants are the go-to. I don't know, I've never been to college before, but I assume that's how it's like. I also got these mom jeans. These are not going to fit me. I know it. I've really let myself go, but these are not going to fit me, definitely. But they're mom jeans, and I have to return them. I'll try to try them on the try-on part, but it's not going to work. I know it's not going to work. I really like the way they're cut at the bottom. I don't know. They just really looked really good on the model. Not sure how they'll look on me, but they're smalls. And I usually order smalls and things, but Brandy Melville is made for like 12-year-old size people, which used to be me until I went to camp, and then I gained like 20 pounds, which is fine, you know? Then I got this, and I'm so excited about this. I ordered this on like, not Brandy Melville, I ordered it on like somewhere that people sell their clothes. And it's this classic corduroy jacket that I'm like literally so excited for because it's gonna be cold. And I'm so excited to wear it, and it was cheap, and yay. It's so warm, and I'm really excited. This is a cop. Next, Altered State. I love that store, but I only got one thing of clothes because they're really expensive. And it's mostly summer stuff right now. I'm not going to wear that for very long, so I just copped this really fuzzy jacket. It's like a, what's the brand of this called? I have one in my closet, but it's kind of gross now. It has like twigs and stuff in it, so I got a new one. I forgot what it's called, but it's really soft. It's softer than the one I already had, and it's soft on the inside too, which the other one wasn't, so that's a plus. Really excited to rock this in the winter. Really excited to look like a sheep. So next up, we have Target. If you didn't know, Target's gotten stylish, and they have this new brand called Wild Fable. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but Target, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. And they have like really cute clothes for really cheap. So I got this pair of mom jeans. I really have been wanting this exact pair of mom jeans for my entire life, and I found them at Target. Who knew? They were $22. And they're these like frumpy dark wash mom jeans, and I'm so excited to wear them. Like, I'm so excited to look like a frumpy mom. It's my favorite style. So I'm so excited to wear this with like a sweater in the winter, and they fit me so well, and I'm really excited about them. Did I mention that I was excited about them? So that's a great find. Next is this like jumpsuit thing that like I wasn't gonna get, but then I did end up getting because, hello. So I got this jumpsuit type thing. I wasn't gonna get it, but then I was like, it's really comfy and it looks really cute, so why not? I'm gonna wear it like probably with a sweater underneath or like a black shirt. And it's a way to look classy while also being comfortable, and that's always what I want to look like, be like. That is what I'm going for. So the next thing is shoes, and I have 2 pairs of shoes. One of them are these Nike something shoes. My mom bought them for me, but they're really cute. They fit me, which is important, and I'm gonna be working out more. You guys can keep me what's the word, accountable, because I really need to work out and like be healthy. So I got these shoes because my other ones are ruined, and I got these shoes, and I don't know, they're just black tennis shoes and they're cool. And then I got the most basic shoe on the face of the earth. Can you guess what it is? It's a Nike Air Force One. I want one of these so bad. They look so good with mom jeans. They look so good with sweatpants. They look so good with everything. So I purchased them, and that's that. That's what it is, and they're great. And yeah. So that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what else to say. If you guys want like a dorm haul, like dorm stuff haul, HMU, I can do that for you. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye.